Welcome to the MIC-101 Modular Incubator Chamber Setup Guide, your step-by-step tutorial for creating a stable, low-oxygen environment for tissue culture research. Each MIC-101 incubator includes a clear lid and base, 3 stackable trays, a blue clamp, a sealing O-ring, and 2 short gas tubes with white pinch clamps. To open the chamber, place it flat on the table. Use both hands to gently release and remove the blue clamp. Carefully lift the lid. Then remove the trays. Before reassembling, check the O-ring and seal surfaces for any dust or debris. To maintain humidity, place a sterile petri dish with 10 to 20 milliliters of sterile water in the base or on a tray. Load your cultures onto the trays with the tray's legs facing down. Once loaded, place the lid back on top. Align the clamp at the seam and close it firmly using both hands. Your chamber is now ready for gas purging. To purge the chamber, you'll need a gas tank with a regulator, a filter, a flow meter, and tubing. Ensure that the white pinch clamps on both the inlet and outlet are open. Connect the tubing so the flow meter sits between the tank and the chamber's gas inlet. Carefully open the gas tank and set the regulator to about 8 psi. Adjust the flow rate to 25 to 50 liters per minute. To fully purge the chamber, flush about 100 liters of gas. This takes about 2 minutes at 50 liters per minute or 4 minutes at 25 liters per minute. When finished flushing, adjust the regulator pressure to 1 to 2 psi. Then close the white pinch clamp on the inlet port, followed immediately by the outlet port. You may now close the gas tank. Use care when adjusting flow. A pressure relief valve will open if regulator pressure is too high and close when safe. However, excessive pressure can still damage the system. Now, place the MIC-101 at 37 degrees Celsius. As the chamber warms to 37 degrees Celsius, over 20 minutes, the gas pressure will increase slightly. For this reason, you may want to quickly open and close one of the white pinch clamps to relieve the pressure. To create your own low oxygen gas, you'll need 2 tanks. One with 95% nitrogen and 5% CO2, and one with 95% oxygen and 5% CO2. Also required, the DFM 3002 dual flow meter, 3 air filters, and the GMS 5002 gas mixing system, which monitors oxygen, temperature, and barometric pressure. Connect the 2.5 liter per minute flow meter to the 95% oxygen tank. Then connect the 50 liter per minute flow meter to the 95% nitrogen tank. Next, attach the Y connector output tubing to the GMS inlet. Finally, connect the GMS outlet to the chamber inlet. To create a 5% oxygen, 5% CO2, and 90% nitrogen mix, set the 50 liter per minute flow meter to 47.5 and the 2.5 liter per minute flow meter to 2.5. Then fine-tune the 2.5 liter per minute valve while using the GMS to monitor the oxygen level precisely. It's that easy to dial in the atmosphere that your cells need. Thanks for choosing the MIC-101, trusted by researchers worldwide for over 50 years. For more setup tips, replacement parts, accessories, or cleaning instructions, visit Embrient.com.